Hello, welcome to Discover Hidden Profits. Your Industry 4.0 rocket goes this way if the CEO is involved in the implementation, and the rocket goes this way if the CEO is not involved in the implementation of Industry 4.0. The thing about Industry 4.0 is that once you install a system for your machine monitoring and so on, the system collects data from machines continuously 24/7 on production, downtime, quality, maintenance, and so on, and shows it to decision makers for action or sends it to other software which further take action. There's lots of data for people at various levels in the organization. Everyone must look at data. They must get used to looking at lots more data than they were used to earlier. There's a lot of culture change, right? Now, this includes the CEO. If the CEO is allergic to numbers, everyone down the line is going to be allergic too. In implementation of CEO, there's one good news. The CEO needs to be involved more initially and then can gradually reduce the time spent, the involvement. Here's a simple rule. First month, every morning, look at the previous day's efficiency numbers. Half an hour per day. The second month onwards, every Monday morning, look at the past week's efficiency numbers. Just 1 hour per week. And when we say look at the numbers, it's not just looking at it. You're actually sitting with your team as a CEO and looking at the numbers with the team. Looking at bad numbers, see where the gaps are, see what can be improved, see what you discussed last time, and ask for follow-up action, what action has been taken, right? Get feedback. So this is looking at numbers. What are you actually doing? Half an hour per day, first month, then 1 hour per week, the second month onwards, forever. That's it. That's it. Takes very little time and ensures that your Industry 4.0 rocket goes this way and not this way.